for this video today. My name is Nicole. I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a thrift store haul for you guys. I recently went to a thrift store that I don't get to go to very often because it's kind of far away, and usually when I'm actually in the area, it's closed, and I happened to be going to see my family, and I drove by it and it was open, so I decided to stop by. They were having a bag sale, so all of their clothes, you would fill a bag for $5, so that was pretty awesome. I did find a few other pieces, but it was really exciting to find some items that I could just put in a bag. I found quite a few vintage pieces. They're really trying to get rid of their inventory from the summer and warmer months, and then they'll be bringing out all their winter stuff. So probably in a week or so, I might stop by again if I'm able to, and see what their new stuff is from the winter time, because all that stuff they've been collecting all year. So hopefully I'll be able to find some good stuff. Anyway, I thought I would show you guys everything that I got. I'm really excited to show you. I know this is a little bit old school. Normally I am in my white background with my white wall, but I used to do a lot of videos from my couch, and that's where I am today. I am actually kind of in a little bit of a hurry just because I have some stuff going on tonight, but I thought I could do a video for you guys here before I end up listing all this stuff. So anyway, I did find quite a few vintage pieces, so I'm going to show you a couple of bags that I found, and shoes were included as well in the bag sale, as well as belts. So that was pretty awesome because I did find a few pairs of shoes. One of the things that I found was this really cool macrame bag. It's definitely vintage. I believe it's handmade. It really looks like it's handmade. It's got these cool, you could wear it, you know, you could even wear it up here because it's so big, but it is super, super hard. I don't know what they used, almost like a rope or something. But it's kind of like a macrame, I guess, and it's a wonderful looking bag. Pretty heavy duty, has a couple different pockets. Definitely something I would say is probably handmade and vintage. So yeah, I thought that was a great find because it's really in right now. I also found this little purse, and I think it was like $2. I don't know this brand, but it's called Bella Rose, I guess. It looks like it was possibly had a yeah, it looks like it had a strap to hang it, but I just thought it was so like cute and like just like little teeny. You could probably put any strap on it, but the strap wasn't there anymore, which was a bummer. But I just thought it was really, really neat, really cool. So I picked that up. Bella Rose. Never heard of it, but for $2, I was like, yeah, sure, I'll pick it up. I'll try it. I did get quite a bit of swimwear because the swimwear was also part of the bag sale. So this is a vintage. I really love picking up vintage swimwear. I don't know why. But be careful taking the tag off. But this is a vintage Nautica one piece. It's kind of like a layered look. I tried to look to make sure there was no real like bad flaws. It's not too bad. Nautica. This, I think, was a brand I hadn't heard of called Blue Rod Beatty. I don't know who that is, but I'll have to look it up. And this is like a purple halter one piece. I think this is a bigger size too, size 10, so that's a great size. I found a couple of these like vintage jumper dresses, denim. Like I said, it was a lot of vintage stuff, and I've kind of been on a vintage kick lately. I got some men's vintage swim trunks. These are Pro Spirit. Yeah, just like a green. I pick this up once in a while because these do sell. This is, I think it's Ocean Pacific. No. Maybe it was a different one I got. That was Ocean Pacific. This is BB Sport. It's just a vintage swim short. And you know, because it's so cheap, I thought I'd take a chance on some of these things. This is Rome, Italy tee, and I just thought it was cool. Definitely would be something really cute cropped. I'm really into these vintage t-shirts. These are not really the best color, but they are bum equipment, and they say bum equipment here and on one of the back pockets. So I did pick them up. They're really in good condition for being older. This I kind of got for myself. It's just a vintage top. It's lightweight. It's by Orvis, so it's a vintage Orvis top. It's nothing real special, but I thought it's just like really lightweight. It might be cute, like tucked in. This I thought was really cute. I think it might be handmade. I got it purely for style because I thought it was just adorable. It's like a gauzy top, and it's like a peach color. If I had to guess, it's probably rayon, polyester. Oh, there's a hole in the back. I didn't see that. There's a hole in the back. Oh well. Honestly, I might just keep it for myself, and I can tuck that in. I'd be wearing a tank top underneath it anyway. Someone might still want it though. I got this purely on style. It's a vintage Christopher and Banks denim. I have been trying to sell on Depop. Haven't been listing too much recently, but this is kind of like a fall looking just denim. So a lot of the stuff I wouldn't think I would probably be able to sell for more than like $10, $15. This is the Duluth Trading Company pants. Let's see, 12 by 29. So these are women's, and Duluth Trading Company actually doesn't do too bad. They're like a cargo pant, and they convert into capris. So I might get a little more out of that one. We'll see. These, I have no idea if they're worth anything, but I picked them up because of, they're called Snake Eyes Weather 18. They are a pair of, I think they're snow pants. But I thought if I can't sell them, these might fit my husband. They're size large, so yeah, they might fit my husband. This is actually, it says Cabby. So I don't know if Cabby made athletic wear, but it's a tank top, like a mesh tank with a built-in bra, and it's by Cabby. I didn't know that they made this kind of stuff. And it's the C and the capital A, so it definitely looks a size medium. I'm going to try this, and I'm going to market it as a vintage popcorn shirt. If you guys remember, in I would say the late 90s, early 2000s, there were these shirts that were really in. They like kind of formed to your figure a little bit, but they were like these popcorn. I cannot remember. If you remember what these were actually called, please leave in the comment section. I don't remember. This is definitely a larger size, and it's been worn a decent amount, probably because that's why it's stretched out. But I'm gonna mark it as like a popcorn shirt, I think. I got this because I just thought it was cute. It is like kind of like a bathrobe, but short sleeved, and it actually has, I don't know if you can see, it has little, yeah, there you go, what do you call them? They're a type of bird. I can't remember what they're called. I keep wanting to say penguin, but I know they're not penguin. I can't remember what they're called, guys. I know it's terrible. I just can't remember. It's like lost out of my mind. This is a pair of vintage Champion athletic shorts. And I think on one of the sides it said, I thought one of the sides had the logo on it. Oh, it's up here. Pick those up. These are cool. I have no idea if these will do well at all because they're definitely, I think, a men's jean. They are size 33. Well, maybe they're not a men's jean. I'm not sure. But these are Levi's, and they're the orange tab, and I know some orange tab does really well, so I'll have to look up comps for that. And, you know, I was trying to get a full bag, so I picked up these as well, which are swim shorts, but they just kind of remind me from the 2000s. They're called Surf Mentality, so I picked those up. I kind of just looked through to see if there's anything that was semi-decent. I don't think I'll get a lot for most of this stuff, but, you know, I thought I'd take a chance and see if there was anything that, you know, I could make some money on. Because, you know, 10 bucks or whatever, that's pretty amazing. So I didn't know, but the belts are normally 50 cents. But he said they were part of the bag sale. So this is a really neat woven belt. So I thought that was pretty cool. This is a leather belt. I've never heard of this, but I'm gonna look it up. It's called Justin Boots 2004, celebrating 125 years. Solid brass. It's really interesting belt buckle. And then this is tooled with like little things in it. So I took a chance on it. I just thought it was interesting. So who knows? These are vintage, guys, and I got them only because they're vintage, and now I'm realizing that I didn't look very close because there's definitely some issues. These are probably just going to be donated or thrown away. They're just these old sandals, and they have these like interesting, they have like little faces on them, but there's some wear in the sandal that I didn't see before, so I probably won't keep those. This is a pair of BOC sandals. These are pretty common. They're size 7. It might fit me actually. They're in pretty decent condition, but I got those. I don't know where the match is, but it's here somewhere. These are Jack Rogers, and they're an older style, but I picked them up. So it's woven, which I thought was cool. I'm not sure what size they are, but they say Jack Rogers, kind of starting to, some Jack Rogers do good. I don't think these are going to do great, but they might still sell. We'll see if someone's looking for something kind of twiny. I got this because some like college wear does well, and this is Boise State. I actually thought it said Boston State. This is Boise State, so I just picked that up. This I got for myself because I thought it was like cool. It's just a Joanna vintage, like a checkered tee, button up. But I'm really liking these like tucked in or tied in the front. And it's like a modest shirt. Yeah. This is one of the first things I saw. This is actually a skirt by Mountain Hardwear. It's very perfumey. It's got pockets, and that's Mountain Hardwear. Okay, I picked this up purely because I needed stuff to fill, and I thought the color was pretty. I don't see any stains, but I'll have to look over it really well. This is Banana Republic, which I rarely pick up, so I say don't mess with the brand, but it's just this really pretty orange top. I just thought it was pretty. That's why I picked it up. Okay, these I picked up for myself purely on style. I just thought they were cute. I really do not know what brand these are. They must have, oh wait, they're Loft. Okay. I didn't pick these up to resell. I picked them up for myself and see if they'll fit me. I just like the pocket style, and they're a flare jean. They didn't look super long, and I have a hard time finding jeans because I'm really short, so usually I have a difficult time finding them. Here's another vintage denim jumper dress. They call it jumper in a lot of other places, but okay. And then the back is button up. So I just thought that was cute. Like I said, a lot of this stuff I'm probably not going to make a lot on, but I'm going to try to list a lot of it on Depop because a lot of it's vintage. So this is an Old Navy skirt. I generally don't pick this up, but it was a bag sale, and it is new with tag, has the original tag, so that's why I got that. I mean, it's a cute style. I just don't normally pick it up. Here's a vintage, you guys remember these? Swimsuit. There's no size on it, but I would assume it's probably large. Remember these vintage purple? It's not as, I mean, it's very purpley, but it's not really picking up properly on the camera. Okay, this is Cali for Naya Sunshine. I don't know what that is, but it's a brand of some sort. It's a extra, extra large. And it's just a cute ribbed one piece. It's kind of like a corally pink color. It's got the cute sides, so I picked it up because it was, you know, so cheap. These are just a pair of vintage joggers by Bugle Boy. They're like the ones that, you know, have the elastic at the ankle. Okay, I got a couple things left. So I got this bathing suit. I really love vintage bathing suits. I don't know why. This is by JCPenney, and it's pretty old because it was made in the USA and made by the Union, I think. So you see that sometimes on vintage stuff. But this is definitely something like very, probably, wow, it's super thin. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but it's definitely vintage. And then I got this vintage one, which I didn't really pay attention to the bottom. The bottom is pretty rough, so I don't know if I'll sell this, but this is the slim suit, which is supposed to be one of the slimming. And this is also vintage. Has like a crazy 80s, early 90s. There is some wear on the back part. You can kind of see, so I don't know if I'll sell that or not. If they want to wear like a skirt over it or something, it wouldn't matter, but. And then I got these. I have no idea. These are maternity. It's Be Maternity by Ingrid and Isabel, and some of their stuff is pretty expensive, so I did pick these up. So they're a pair of leggings, maternity leggings. So that is the last item. So I got quite a few pieces for $10, and then I think it came out to $16. I got a couple other little things, like a stuffed animal, but I don't think I'm going to sell that, and like a little basket for myself, but I decided not to show you guys that because I didn't think it was that important. But I think I ended up spending a total of $20. I donated a few dollars, so I was like, it's so cheap, you know. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do put out a lot of reseller content, like what sold videos and thrift with me, thrift hauls, retail arbitrage, all kinds of stuff like that. So please subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I really appreciate you guys so much. Please don't forget to comment if you have any questions about any of these pieces, or if you can help me out with identifying any of them, especially the ones that don't have any tags. I would love your help. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye!